Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about another function of ELAN, which is the search function. Now, imagine that you want to do some search on multiple annotated ELAN files. For example, you want to learn how many times a certain sign has been used in more than 2,000 annotated ELAN files. Looking at each ELAN file, of course, will be time consuming, but you can use ELAN. You can use the search function in ELAN to do this job. Now, in order to show how to do this, I will be using over 2,000 annotated ELAN files, and I will be downloading them from the website of Corpus NGT. Corpus NGT is a very rich corpus with the data on sign language of the Netherlands, and this corpus has been developed by Professor Onne Krasborn and his team at Radboud University Nijmegen. And many of the annotated ELAN files from this corpus are publicly available. And now I will show you how to find those annotated ELAN files and how to do some simple search on this data. Okay, for this, first I go to their website, and this is their website. And I click and I see the one of the websites of Corpus NGT. But on this website, you will find the annotation files as a zip file. If you click on this, the downloading will start automatically, and it takes really short. And then after all the files, are downloaded, I take them to my desktop. And then here I should have them as the zip. When I click on this, it should automatically extract the files. And as you see now on my desktop, I have all the publicly available annotated ELAN files from Corpus NGT. And this folder includes more than 2,000 annotated ELAN files. Now, in the next video, I will show you how to do some simple search in these files.